Okay, folks, it's the 24th of February today, and we certainly saw some big action in the global markets today. They are selling off very aggressively today on the back of the coronavirus spreading to a pandemic. So markets are pricing in economic problems as a result of that. Of course, the big problems haven't happened yet, but the markets will price ahead of time. So obviously, if some good news comes out, or a vaccine, or it's the cases start to diminish, then we'll start seeing a big rally back in. But at the moment, the markets are pricing worst case scenario, hence the big sell-off. So analysis wise, we had a long-term buy in the market, which was made risk-free. That's now stopped for no loss, no gain. But I will be looking to get in again. I'll update you tomorrow on that one, but we'll have our stops below 7070. Really only turns very ugly if we get below there. That's really the key stop for longer term buys. This trades today. I mean, on Friday we were just talking about a trade that we were looking for a move back up to 74.30. It did that one. I also just said that on Friday, if we had the weekly close, if Friday's closing price was below 74.30, that turned the short-term trend negative, and we were looking for a move down to 72.50. Now, of course, when we woke up this morning, the market was already down, pretty much down towards 72.50. So it did that very, very quickly. And so we're just confirming that one. That 72.30 very key. Remember, that was key support. Now it's resistance. We're just saying as well the markets are down as they're pricing in economic damage from the virus spreading. And we were looking really to buy today near 72.60. with a stop below 7200 and a target at 7300. Now the target, this trade was based on a market inefficiency, usually has a high hit rate, and it failed today. Obviously we're crashing. When the market crashes, it ain't going to work. So but that's why we use stops, of course. But I would be looking to make that loss back up very quickly over the next few days. I'm sure we'll get another good opportunity. We were also looking for a sell, but of course we didn't rally today. We literally have just dropped all day as the market has crashed. So short term, we're negative below 74.30 from the weekly close below there on Friday. Long term, we're still positive. 5-minute bar, I was going to confirm in the room. I like the spike down today. So if we had a spike down from the open price of 10 points, it was a buy with a stop at 12 points, and we were actually looking for 10 points as well on that particular trade. But that was really connected with 7300 acting as a magnet, so I expected the market to, if it spiked down, to move up pretty quickly. So that trade actually won. Closing gap was filtered, and quite rightly that did not fill, so we avoided that one. Swing trade is now been stopped for nil gain, no loss, but I will be looking to activate a longer term trade very shortly. We'll keep you updated on that one. Let's have a look at the action now. All right, 8 o'clock in the morning, market open. This is the 1 minute chart. So we opened at 72.73. A move down to 63 was a buy with a stop at 51. 51 was here, didn't stop, and then target 10 points. It moved up back up to 73. So that was a nice winning spike trade, nice and quick. I didn't take the 5-minute breakdown. Of course it did win, but decided not to do that one because obviously I was still looking for 7300 to act as a magnet today. But we've crashed, the market's crashed, so it's not going to fill. It's not going to fill that market inefficiency when a market's in a crash. But we were basically looking to buy down towards 72.60 with a stop below 7200. That trade was stopped out, sadly, and we've moved down a lot further. Actually, on the 1 hour chart, we've come all the way down to 71.12. Now remember that key stop for the long term is down at 7070. So as long as we don't get below there, then there's still value buys to be had on the FTSE. So we'll be keeping an eye tomorrow. Certainly, we've still got a 27-point dividend this week as well. So I think maybe one more dip, and there could be some interesting buys to be had. But probably going to have a bit of a recovery from here. We put in a pin bar 1 hour. So we'll see how America does overnight. You wouldn't want to be buying European markets until America is closed, just in case America does put in a sort of a last 2 hour back session sell-off as well, dragging European markets lower overnight as well. But tomorrow, that actually, if we're sort of opening below current day lows, that I would expect the today's lows to be revisited tomorrow. So that's the review today, guys. Hopefully you found that useful.